Introduction of blockchain. The blockchain is typically managed by a peer-to-peer network collectively adhering to a protocol for validating new blocks. Once recorded, the data in any given block cannot be altered retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks and a collision of the network majority. Transactions once stored in the blockchain are permanent. They cannot be hacked or manipulated. We will learn more about this once we get into the concepts of blockchain. Overview of blockchain. Blockchain is the technology used in Bitcoin. It is a public distributed holding encrypted ledger. Sample blockchain. First block growing blockchain. A block is the current part of a blockchain which records some or all of the recent transaction and once completed goes into the blockchain as permanent database. Each time a block gets completed, a new block is generated. Blockchain uses private key cryptography to secure identities and hash function to make the blockchain immutable. P2p machines on the network help in the maintaining the consistency of the distributed ledger. The program gives the blockchain its protocol based on the requirement. Blockchain, private key cryptography, P2p network, blockchain program. Private key cryptocurrency. Private key cryptography involves two different keys, private and public. One key is purposely kept private, the other is provided to the other party. If you use private key to encrypt, then the public key can be decrypted and vice versa. This is called asymmetric encryption. Some text asymmetric algorithm. Private key, public key. 6A, B, 3D, 9F. Peer-to-peer network. A peer-to-peer network is created when two or more PCs are connected and share resources without going through a separate server computer. A P2P network can be an ad hoc connection, a couple of computers connected via a universal serial bus to transfer files. A P2P network also can be a permanent infrastructure that links a half dozen computers in a small office over copper wires. A P2P network can be a chain network on a much grander scale in which special protocols and applications set up directly relationship among users over the internet. Blockchain program. The blockchain is a way of implementation any solution. Blockchain is a concept and can be implemented by any language. Solidity is the most preferred default for writing program in blockchain. Sample blockchain. First block, growing blockchain, new block. Blockchain transaction. In any blockchain, all transactions are logged, including information on the time, data, participants, and amount of every single transaction. Each node in the network owns a full copy of the blockchain.